So first of all, remember to make a copy of the layer on which you are working. Ctrl J to make a copy. Now, let's say we want to remove this sheep over here. We just have to select this sheep, patch tool over here. Just select the sheep roughly. I think that's okay. And just drag it like this. Yes, that is okay. The sheep is gone. Let's have a look at the before and after. So this is the before and this is the after. Now let's try on another one. Let's say we want to remove this bird. Now remember, if we don't have to necessarily select the subject with patch tool, we can use it any selector. I'm using polygonal lasso like that. Now go to patch tool, select it and drag it like this. Ctrl D to deselect. Now let's try on this one. Let's remove this stick. Now to do that, let's make a selection. Now you have to be specific on this. Now you will see when we use this patch tool, the area over there gets blurred up. See, this is not looking realistic. That's getting blurred up. Now let's see why this is happening. Now look at it like this. Your mouth is a perfect tool for removing islands. What I mean by islands is like a piece of chocolate. You can finish it off, but what if you get a bar of chocolate? It won't be a fine work. Now, what we do in this case is we just make that island that we talked about. And we do that by clone stamp tool. What it does is it copies the place which we assign it and it just pastes it over the place. You have to hold alt and take a sample like I think this is good and just use it like a brush over here. Yeah, I think that looks real. So Now we select this branch, patch tool, and just drag the leg. So Ctrl plus D to deselect. Let's have a look at the before and after. So this is the before and this is the after. So first let's make a duplicate of this, and let's say we want to remove this car over here. Remember, we also have to remove the shadow. So now we will use content aware fill. Just first let's select this car. We will do that grass part later. So first let's do this road part. Let's so go to edit, content aware, and fill. So it has done a pretty good job, but it still has a lot of grass on the road. So I think we will have to remove it. Let's see. This green part indicates sampling area. So we don't want it to sample this grass. So let's remove that because we are doing the road part. Brush tool and minus bigger and remove this grass part. Uh, you will see as we remove this grass, it is getting better and better. Like you can see, and all the grass is gone. Yeah, that is good. Okay. Control plus D to deselect. Yes, it is done a good job. But we have to remove this shadow in the grass as well. So let's select it. Let's see then edit content aware fill. Now this time we have to fill it with grass. So let's see. I think it has done a pretty good job. Yes, I don't think we have to. We need to do any further. So let's hit OK. And yes, that is good. Control plus D to deselect. Yes, that is the power of AI. Have a look at the before and after. So this is the before and this is the after. So let's have a look at this last one. Now we're gonna remove this man over here, and I think we have to remove this thing. It looks distracting. I think patch tool can fix this. Yes, that is good. Now we have to remove this man. So let's select it. As there is already very less information, we cannot afford to lose any more details. So I'll try to be as specific as I can. Yes, that is okay. Now let's go to edit, content aware field, and let's see. But as you can see, there is a boundary line over here. Let's see if we can do anything. We don't want to sample these cars, so let's remove them. Negative. That's not doing the thing. Let's do it separately with patch tool. Let's hit OK. I think we need to remove that lower part. The upper part is okay. Let's select the lower part. Okay, so we have to remove it. I think we can use patch tool. Yes, that is good. Control plus G to deselect. Let's see. Yes, it. Let's have a look at the before and after. So this is the before and this is after.